English literature. In the previous two parts, we have already completed 5 ages, and in this part, we will study about the Jacobean age and the Caroline age. So, Jacobean age started from the year 1603 and it continues up till 1625. Queen Elizabeth I died in the year 1603 and she had made no provision for her successor. James VI of Scotland was the only nearest relative of Queen Elizabeth I. Therefore, he was asked to come to England and rule over England. So, when James VI of Scotland came to England, he became James I of England. And therefore, the name of this age is Jacobean age. Because the name James in Latin means Jacobus. Therefore, the name Jacobean age. The Great Plague which spread in the age of Chaucer returned to England in this age. Also, East India Company was established in the year 1600 AD and it flourished in this age. It grew tremendously. Coming to a few features of the Jacobean prose. Jacobean prose was written in the form of translations, travelogues, religious writings, biographies, autobiographies, etc. As we have studied about a group called University Wits in the Elizabethan period, similarly we have a group of metaphysical poets in this age, that is the Jacobean age. So, the metaphysical poets are George Herbert, John Donne, Abraham Cowley, Andrew Marvell, Richard Crashaw, etc. Metaphysical poets wrote metaphysical poetry. So, the word meta in metaphysicals is something unusual, something beyond, and the word physicals means the word around. So the word metaphysicals means something which is beyond this world, okay? Something unconventional, out of the world. Coming to a few features of the metaphysical poetry. Metaphysical poetry was written in the everyday language, but their logic was unusual. It was exaggerated. Metaphysical poets used conceits in their poetry. What are conceits? Conceits are the comparisons of two apparently different objects which have no connection between them. John Donne was the greatest of the metaphysical poets. He wrote works like Canonization, Ecstasy, Relic, Elegy on a Mistress Going to Bed, and many more poems. Andrew Marvell wrote works like An Horatian Ode upon Cromwell's Return from Ireland. The second one is To His Coy Mistress. The third one is The Appleton House. The fourth one is The Garden. These four are the four major works. The first two among these are the most important ones. George Herbert wrote a collection of poems which is called as The Temple. It is a collection of over 150 poems in which the poem called The Pilgrimage is very famous. And in this poem summarizes the whole of John Bunyan's Pilgrim's Progress. Another work by George Herbert, the famous one, is The Pulley. Coming to the Jacobean drama. There were 4 types of dramas in the Jacobean age. The first one is revenge tragedy. Revenge tragedy was based on the cynical model of drama. It was bloody and full of violence. The second type of drama was city comedy. City comedy depicted the lower class life of London. The major themes of this were adultery, unhappy marriages, deaths. The third type of drama was the tragic comedy. It was a mixture of tragedy and comedy together in one play. The fourth type of drama was mask. So, what is a mask? A mask is a short play performed in the court by the courtiers. It was a part of the festivities of 24 years in which King Charles I ruled over England. King Charles I was from Stuart dynasty and he was the only king in England who was beheaded. Charles was called as Carol in French and hence the name Caroline Age. There were major political tensions between King Charles I and the Puritans. Who are Puritans? Puritans are a group of people who are reformed Protestants, okay, and they sought to reform the Church of England from its Catholic practices. They were very strict with their rules and regulations, their customs. Oliver Cromwell was the leader of the Puritans who was against King Charles I. These political tensions between King Charles I and the Puritans gave rise to the Cromwellian Revolution. So there were two parties, the king and the parliament, that is the Puritans. In the year 1642, theatres in England were shut down. Why? So, because Puritans believed that theatres were immoral. They gave immoral messages to the people. Therefore, the theatres were shut down. Also, English Civil War was fought in this age. It started from the year 1642, the same year when the theatres were closed, and it completed in the year 1651. I will come up with the fourth part of this video very soon. Till then, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to receive the notifications. Thank you.